What's good, fam? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh. You can call me JD, and in this video we're getting into one of the most anticipated Nike Dunk lows of the year so far. Yeah, I know I've been doing a lot of Dunk reviews on the channel this year, but let's be honest, most of the Dunks, if not all of the Dunks that have dropped this year, they have been trash. This colorway, however, I've been looking forward to it for a very long time. In this video, I will be reviewing the Nike Dunk Low in the medium curry colorway. What up, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. So in this video, I will be breaking down this shoe. We'll talk about this beautiful colorway. Of course, we will also get into the quality of this sneaker and also get into where does it rank with all of the other Dunks we've seen over the last 2 years. We'll also talk about resale predictions, and as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. So this pair right here, I have been looking forward to it for a very long time. As soon as I saw pictures of these, I knew it. This is something I absolutely had to have. This sneaker released on February the 19th in Europe. As far as a North American release date, we have absolutely no information about that right now. As soon as I find out when that's going to be, I will leave the release date in the description. The sneaker gods definitely answered my prayers. I ended up winning a raffle for this in my size. I get a lot of comments from you guys on YouTube and Instagram saying things like, hey, why are you winning every raffle? JD must have some backdoor to every sneaker store out there. Well, to be honest, guys, it takes a lot of work. I put in a ton of time entering raffles. I enter tons of raffles. I enter as many people I know in these raffles, and that's pretty much how you end up winning more raffles. It's a numbers game at the end of the day. The more entries you put in, the higher your chances. They're calling this colorway the medium curry, and guys, I'm Indian. When I hear medium curry, I think of like a tikka masala. Like, it's not as spicy as a hot curry like a vindaloo, but it's definitely spicier than, let's say, a butter chicken. It's a medium curry. It's a tikka masala. Of course, the color brown right now is having a moment. It's really popular on sneakers right now. The official colorway of this sneaker is Sail, Fossil, and Medium Curry. And the colorway on this sneaker, guys, this is such a beautiful colorway. You got that medium curry and sail color blocking. The swoosh you can see is done in this Fossil colorway. I also love the midsole. The midsole is not exactly white. It's also done in this sail color. And finally, the outsole rounds it all off. We have that nice dark outsole. Let me know down in the comments before I even get into the quality. Let me know what you guys think of this colorway. In terms of the colorway, this is like a 10 out of 10 to me. But let us talk about the quality. We've been not getting any of that so far this year on Dunks. So how's the quality on these? The only material used on the upper is suede. However, the quality on the suede is different on different areas of the shoe. On the toe box area, the suede doesn't feel as good. It feels a bit rough. However, as you go onto the back panels of the shoe, that's where the suede feels a lot softer. The quality on the shoe overall to me is the best we've seen on a Dunk Low this year. However, the suede on, let's say, the Ugly Duckling pack, the veneer, the ceramic, also the plums, I definitely think the suede was softer on all of these pairs, but that doesn't mean that this is bad suede. I'm just saying it wasn't as good as the Ugly Duckling pack, but still you're getting some really good materials here. If there's just one thing I don't like about this shoe, and I don't understand why Nike did this, it has to be the laces. You don't get some regular cotton laces with this shoe. Instead, you get these weird shiny laces, and I just don't understand why. I don't know who asked for shiny laces on this Dunk, but we have been seeing these shiny laces on a lot of the Dunks this year, like the UNLVs, the black pairs. But luckily, I do have a pretty good alternative. So I went ahead and threw on some cotton style laces, and if you don't know already, these are my own laces. They're from my shop, Elevate Laces, and I will leave a link in the description so you guys can cop them as well. As you can see, so on the left pair, I have the Elevate Laces pair, and on the right is the normal laces that the shoe comes with. And you can kind of decide for yourself which one you think is better. As you can see, the color is very, very similar between the two. However, I'm really just not a fan of these weird shiny laces that the Curry Dunks come with. I much definitely prefer the regular cotton style laces, the beige laces on these. I just think it's a way better look, but it might just be a very small thing for you guys, not so big a deal, but this is just what I prefer. I'm going to talk about resale as well. Before I do that, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I looked at my analytics, only about 27% of you guys who watch my videos are subscribed to the channel. Just hit that subscribe button, it helps me out a lot. I am continuing to bring that content every single week for you guys, so make sure you guys are subscribed. All right, we talked about the shoe. Let's talk about some resale predictions. And once again, if you guys do not care about resale, go ahead and skip this part of the video. So when it comes to resale, it seems like even though we're getting a lot of dunks lately, this particular colorway does have quite a bit of hype to it. Right now, in pretty much every size, the resale is over $300. And that is honestly one of the highest resale prices I've seen on the first week of a dunk release, at least in recent memory. Yes, we have not seen these released in the States yet, and you can probably expect the prices to come down a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and actually say that these are probably not gonna sell right now, especially because this colorway is also more of a fall colorway. So we might see the prices on these actually increase as we go into the fall time of 2021. So far in the last year, we've seen that dunk resale really depends on the colorway. Colorways that are really popular, like the Syracuse pair and the plum pair, they are reselling for a lot of money. However, less, I guess, wearable colorways like the Champs colors and also that Samba pair, those haven't done so well on resale. This sneaker, just based on the pre-release hype, I feel like a lot of people are after this shoe. So I actually think that the prices are gonna go up long term. But I don't plan on selling my pair, of course. This is staying on feet. This is staying in the collection. For those of you who missed out on the release, I think the best time to cop this would be around 3 to 4 days after the US drop. We're gonna see prices sink a little bit during that time. But let's wrap this up. The Nike Dunk Low Medium Curry, cop or a drop? You guys probably know what my answer is. This is a beautiful colorway, and in my opinion, this is the best dunk to release since the Plums release last year. For colorway and quality, yeah, I gotta say, this is definitely my favorite dunk since the Plums. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think of the Nike Dunk Low in the medium curry colorway? For me, these are 1000% a cop. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. That is the best place to contact me. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. If you haven't already checked out my podcast too, we'll leave a link in the description for that. The on-feed portion of the video dropping right now. Thank you guys so much once again for all of the support on the channel and for watching this video. And until next time, peace.